Are you a business owner looking for a new bank? Have you ever heard of Relay and wondered, is this a real bank or just another fintech company? It's a great question, and the answer is important for how you manage your money. Let's get straight to it. Relay is a fintech company, not a bank. But don't let that confuse you. This is a common and legitimate model in today's financial world. Here's how it works. Relay partners with a chartered, FDIC-insured bank, specifically, Thread Bank. This partnership allows Relay to offer banking services like checking and savings accounts, debit cards, and more, all while the underlying financial services are provided and protected by their bank partner. The crucial part is that your money, up to the FDIC-insured limit, is held at Thread Bank. This means your deposits are insured for up to $250,000 per depositor, just like at any traditional bank. In fact, due to a special sweep program, some customers can even get up to $3 million in FDIC insurance. So, while you interact with the Relay app and website, and you use their debit card, the security and official banking operations are handled behind the scenes by a regulated bank. This fintech bank partnership model has some big advantages. Relay focuses on what it does best, building a user-friendly platform with modern features. You'll find things like easy-to-create multiple checking accounts, robust automation for cash flow management, and direct integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. These are features that often feel clunky or are completely absent from traditional banks. However, there are also some trade-offs. As an online-only service, Relay doesn't have physical branches. This could be a deal-breaker if you rely on in-person services like cash deposits or need to speak with a banker face-to-face. Customer support is also different. While you can get help, it's typically through digital channels like email and phone, not by walking into a branch. Ultimately, Relay is a legitimate and secure option, but it's not a bank itself. It's a tech company that delivers banking services through a trusted, FDIC-insured partner. If you're a small business owner who values modern digital tools, fee-free banking, and smart automation over traditional in-person services, a fintech like Relay could be the perfect fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.